I look like garbage, but that's perfectly fine. Boy, do I look terrible. We were supposed to leave at 10, and right now it is 10:13 a.m. 14. My skin looks terrible. My lips are chapped because I just realized my chapstick's packed in the car, but I don't know which car because we're taking 2 cars. But come along with me as I move into my dorm room. That's my room over there. Kind of concerned because my window's pretty close. They spelled my name right. I'm happy. I'm ready for you to come, Jordan. Small. Smaller than I remember. Okay. It did come with a shower rod. I was right. You don't. That needs to be cleaned. Oh, see? It looks more spacious. I'm keeping my bed like this. I like it like that. I have a desk. Oh, this is what they were talking about. Yeah, I have a tapestry. This is my view. Walls. Jordan has the better view, so it's something. Let me get my mom. So I just got back from my break and I put this little decorative thing in my common area because it's really boring in here. And in the bathroom, I put in like this really nice like thing. Matching thing. However, that doesn't match. Like it isn't long enough, so hopefully it works pretty well with the shower lining. And I put the extra one in front of our sink, which my parents pretty much left weird, but you know, I'll fix it. And this is my room. Not too shabby. It's a lot more space. I have to clean this up already. This is ironic. Like, it's the first day I'm moving out. I gotta clean up. I got enough pillows. And then I can put all my family pictures up there. This is my tapestry. Makeup case. And behind my door, I have my mirror. So yeah, it's an interesting movement. I was gonna record the process of everything, but I didn't feel like it. Day 2. So it always takes me like 2 days or honestly a week to get settled into my room. So I'm gonna do a quick little like room tour for you guys because it pretty much looks relatively what it looks like right now, and show you my dorm room. Oh yeah, there's also like a mirror. Just want to let you guys know that. Let me text my mom and see why is there 2 laundry baskets in this random box. No, yeah. As I have realized that my mom went shopping for all the stuff I usually get for school, and she only picked up like the smallest amount of stuff. And I mentally put in the mental note in the back of my head, like, make sure you go to like BJ's or some bulk store. And I forgot because I had a job. So like, I'm gonna situate that giant soap. I'm gonna get a small one to put in a little container and call it day. I don't know why I should put my dream catcher over here. Oh my gosh, I really don't. I don't know why she brought this mitt because we never even used the mitt, and I'm just like, whatever. There's a few things that if I could, I would just ship them back home and call it a day, but I can't ship them because they're too big of a box to put them in, so yeah. I brought a white one so I could fit the aesthetic of my room. It's just little hair care stuff. I put this here in between me and my roommate's room, in that chair, because we moved that thing over there. And then there's the bathroom. The bathroom's pretty much the same. You know, this actually worked pretty well last night, not too shabby, so. It wasn't that bad. And then there's my room. It looks like a freshman year room. It actually looks like it has an aesthetic to it, low key, and I'm surprised. There's 2 hampers. I told her that this one's gonna rip eventually, and this one just has a broken handle. And we packed both because I thought, you know, packing with all my stuff because I don't plan on coming home till Christmas. And they're still here. Like, I thought she was gonna take one of them home and then there's this random box of miscellaneous, and I'm just like, a few of these items could go in one of these drawers and call it a day, but no, whatever. Got this big tapestry. I forgot where. Society. No, the website called Society something. You know, it's pretty nice. In the new dorm, I live in like the newer dorm. Last year I lived in a new dorm, and you know, their walls are pretty crappy. So they realized that since there was a lot of damage last year from everyone, they put like a little designation area to decorate your room with, and I'm just like, you know, just that gray wall. Like, the room is gray and white. And I put in some life. I bought my camel jade blanket because I love camouflage. Put lights up there. A little fan for when it gets hot. Water. Random stuff. I thought it would be better to put all my perfumes and my makeup cleansers over here because it was just clashing with my desk. Still trying to figure out what to do with these 2 random boxes, and that's about it. I got 5 more thumbtacks put on my pictures on my family and my friends, and yeah, this is what it looks like. That's my room. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and I will see you in my next one.